After one day, I am back in a new video. Ramadan is going on and it's almost finished. Now it's 2 days left to finish. It's finished, but my journey is not finished. It's keep going. In my opinion, in my perspective, I on or keep on my journey. Now I'm gonna talk about another very important word that is called time. Time is very important in our life. Whatever gonna we use our time, we become that person. Whatever we use, whatever we utilize, or whatever we input in time, that person we become in our near future. So remind in mind, time is very important. We should use our time in a right direction. Utilizing time in a appropriate way is a process that every day we put our time in the thing that is very important to our passion, very important to our goal, to our aim. Whatever our aim is, just put our time on that particular thing regular basis. For doing this habit, we when we avoid our basic nature in the time we can see our progress, and that is why time is very important. I can't express you how it is important or how it is valuable. It's very important. In a word, it is a precious thing that God given us. He given us unlimited time to all of us. He given a limited amount of time to everyone, like a baker, a rickshaw puller, a businessman, a fisherman. Everyone has the same amount of time, but the difference between all of them is that one use the time in a right way, and one use their time in abuse. They use the time in abuse. No one can tell about that how you can use the time properly. No one, none can tell about those things. You have take your own responsibility to use your time. No one can tell you what's your dream, what's your vision is. You have to seek your dream. You have to research on your dream, on your goals, on your aim. No one can tell about this. This is called life. I think life is an adventure, and all of us are player in that particular field. Balls every day we face different kind of situation. It's like a ball, like a cricket ball. We are in a pitch and there no player. You and you in a pitch and ball is coming. No stamps. So the main thing is what are the aspect, what are the condition, what are the position, what are the way we use our time. That is the thing. In the outside of the thing, there is nothing to do in life. Even a billionaire, he also have a 24 hours. A beggar have a 24 hours, but there is a big difference between both these two. In this difference, we see how it is work or time. What is the value of time? Time is very important. Time is when our date is coming. That time, the time is end. Otherwise, it's not ending. So the message of this video is the thing that we have to use our time according to our vision, according to our goals. Otherwise we can't expect good result in our